Welcome guys. In this tutorial I'll be guiding on how to work with linear sketch pattern. Now I want this my rectangle to get up to this part, so I don't have all the time to start sketching one after the other. So I'll simply click on linear sketch pattern, and now this is my distance. Okay, let me increase the distance. Okay, 20 is okay for my distance. Then now my numbers of pattern I'll increase. Let me say I need 20. And I have this. Okay, 20 is too much, so let me make it 19. So I have this. If you want to take it to the y-axis downwards, you can simply click here. I'll flip it downward. Also, let me increase the distance. Let me make it 15. So I have this. So this for linear sketch pattern. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.